So, I'm not gonna lie. I'm really not feeling good today. But anyways, the show cannot stop. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to kind of get my life together. And I need to finish cleaning up. Let me show you this mess. Which is kind of really not too bad. It's been worse. So this is what we're working on today. So I'm just going to set you guys up in what I think is possibly a good spot. And we're just kind of... Oh, my bras never fit. So we're just gonna kind of get today together, and I'm just gonna make this a sort of simple vlog style day. First, starting with me cleaning up. What ended up happening was this video is not supposed to be what it is, but I ended up trying to go to work today, and I literally couldn't make it. I started at 12:30. And literally 20 minutes in, wasn't feeling it. Like I couldn't. So let me kind of tell you guys what's really been happening here. What I'm doing right now is changing out of my clothes. Something a little more comfortable. But what ended up happening was last night I did a detox tea, which may or may not have been the best move. Usually, the way that I'm feeling now, I've never felt before. So, of course, you know, detox tea is supposed to do exactly that. Detox. So, I took one, felt fine, went to sleep. I woke up about 7:15 this morning, dying. Like, my stomach was cramped so bad. So, I was like, okay, you know what? Maybe I just have to use the bathroom. This might be TMI. But, I was like, maybe I just have to use the bathroom. I go. Fine. Peachy dandy. I said, look, I got more time. I can go back to sleep. So that's what I do. I went back to sleep. 9:15. I think when I looked at my clock, it said 9:22. And I think that clock's about 3 minutes fast. So about 9:15, 9:17-ish, stomach was dying. I was like, you know what? I can fight through. I don't have to get up till 9:30. I can fight through 15 more minutes. Couldn't fight through. All right. Get up. Go to the bathroom. Okay, cool. I feel fine again. So I thought. Some crazy cool clothes transition. So I said, okay, I feel fine. Boom. Got up, had my cup of coffee, you know, my normal routine of getting ready. Had my cup of coffee, did this, did that. Ignore my hair, it ain't shit, just like me. So that's peachy dandy. I go and I do that. I get all the way ready. I feel nothing. I feel fine. At, let's see. I think I was like, okay, it's time for me to go. It's 12 o'clock. I'm getting ready to leave the house. I say, okay, you know what? I'm just going to pee real quick and I'll be ready to go. No issues. This is a lot. I just want to tell y'all that I'm just not feeling good. But I go dying again. That's just what we're going to, you know, describe it as. Okay, felt fine. I said, all right, maybe this is it. It wasn't. I mean, I was like, maybe this is it. Maybe this is all I got left. So this is your girl's good. I'm like, yeah, I'm driving. Call my mom. Tell her what's going on, right? I get to the exit where you get off to go. I say, I get off. I'm like basically there. I'm literally 5 minutes away. Tense sensation in my stomach, like another cramp. And I said, you know what? This isn't going to work today. You know why? Because they're not going to let me keep getting up all willy-nilly until I get myself together. And hence, I kind of left out the fact that when I was contemplating using this bathroom, getting the situation taken care of at the hours of 7:15 and 9:15, I got so overheated. It was really hot. I was really hot. I couldn't figure out, like, you know, that sensation. This may be a lot. When you're about to throw up and your mouth gets super, 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 super watery. Yep. going through that, couldn't figure it out. Okay. I went to, stayed 12:49, went to my manager. It ain't gonna happen. And here I am. So here we are. So as crazy as it sounds, I actually really want it to work. But it ain't happening. So I'm just going to finish up what I had kind of started this morning, which is kind of picking this stuff up, getting it straight, and then starting to vacuum at least this part in here, and then I'll be able to kind of like start going about the rest of my day and whatnot. So here in this clip, I'm just kind of picking up stuff off the floor. I see you moving my belt. I'm just separating some stuff here, picking up some coin wraps right here. And then I'm also just going to kind of separate things, which you'll see throughout the clip. It'll be me picking up different things. I'll be going through. There's a recycle pile, a shred pile, me like wiping my pants off. What part I'm going to end up just throwing straight in the trash can, which will go in that bag over there. Things that I'm not quite sure what to do with yet, I'm going to end up putting in a pile on my bed. And then we're just going to keep sorting through. Look, I found a fidget spinner. When your nails are too long, hashtag fail. What else is going on right now? Let's see. Found an old book. I thought I had some money in it. Psych, just kidding. Okay, let's take this part. Take the part with my name and address on it. Shred it. I accidentally ripped it. Gonna recycle the other pile. Same thing, throw it through stuff. That's pillowcase, throw it in dirty clothes. The headscarf. Just going through some things here, still picking up stuff, finding things. I think that was a straw. Okay, random hair bow with hair attached. Thank you. Paste stubs. Everything that you see moving on that side is a paste stub. Alright, so gonna clean up the area right around the trash can. Make sure we get things thrown away. We're gonna go actually in the trash can this time. Gonna kind of straighten up here. Found another hair bow. Let me, show you guys what I'm actually doing here. Then we're gonna end up, that was a card, the paste stub. Recycle that part. See what else is going on. I got double-sided tape, figuring out things, throwing some things away. Found a big double rubber band here. Then I was like, okay, well, let's play around with this a little bit, see what's going on in this corner. A pair of jeans. Trying to figure out what was wrong with them. Then I realized the pocket is ripped. So I'm going to fold them up and I'm going to try to fix them. So I'm put those to the side. Calendars, a laundry bag, another. Oh, look, y'all. I think this is HelloFresh. So HelloFresh sent me something in the mail. So I was just reading to see if there was an expiration date on it. And there's nothing. So there's that. I heard a lot of good things about HelloFresh. Okay, so as y'all seen was like fast-paced me cleaning. So what I seen and what this was is I have a voucher for HelloFresh, and I've been seeing a lot of people like talking about it, and it's been coming to me in the mail, but I never took it upon myself to try it. So one day I actually tried. Let me not lie to y'all. So I tried it, and I was getting ready to sign up for it, and I got like all the way to the end, and I thought you would be able to pick your meals before you pay. And that's the part where I've kind of never seen anybody on YouTube or anybody or any customers or anything talk about is, when do you pick your meals? Because I've seen everybody talking about it. Man, my nose itches. So I've been seeing a lot of people talk about it and talk about how you get to pick your meals and everything like that. But they never tell you the part when you're going to go sign up for it is you have to pay before you can pick your meals. Or you have to enter your credit card information and whatnot before you're picking your meals. So as of right now, I haven't signed up for it. But I've seen a lot of people talk about it, and a lot of people have had a lot of good things to say. So I'm kind of curious, and I'm kind of wanting to still sign up for it. Sorry, that was my kneecap. But I just haven't yet. Okay, so then all the pals you guys seen was things that right now, this pal that I'm grabbing, which you can just see my shoulder. So this pal is all stuff that I need to shred. So stuff that I think has information on it. Anything like with my address, or like I still have some like bank receipts in here. Not really like, you gonna work? Okay, not really like bank receipts, but like, you know, when you go to the teller and, or the, sorry, and I'm setting the camera up and you guys don't want to see my fat gut. But you know, like when you go to the teller and you get a receipt. So those, I guess those are technically bank receipts. So basically anything of that nature. What even is this? So basically anything that has any, what I would call personal information, is what I am currently putting in the shredder now. And I also have the pal that I go. So my room's clean. I'm gonna try to eat for the first time today since, you know, the incident. So I'm gonna try to eat, and I gotta figure out how to clean out the inside of the microwave. It's very complicated to do. I have the microwave cover on. Oh, lost the pepper. I don't even know if it's warm. Usually I microwave it for a minute, but my microwaves are like, get it together. Microwaves are kind of crazy. It's very high. And then I'm gonna take my vitamins. So what I'm gonna take is a citrusol, vitamin, what, calcium, vitamin D, a multivitamin, and since whatever's going on, vitamin C too. Like also. Okay, maybe now it's warm. Let's sit down. I'm gonna eat, and I'm gonna Google ways to figure out how to clean a microwave. Me, I am not alone. And boom. I also added in some Dawn dish detergent. It didn't say I needed to add dish detergent, but I'm actually doing it again for a second round because when I did the first round, let it sit for a couple of minutes, when I tried to like wipe just the microwave door, like it didn't come off, and I was still doing a lot of scrubbing. It's like I didn't have a problem with, I'm also trying to wash the dishes. I didn't have a problem with doing like minimal scrubbing. I didn't think it was gonna come off super duper like effortlessly, but like it didn't come off at all. So I'm gonna run it again, this time with the dish detergent, and well, let's see what happens. So right now I'm about to just go ahead and wash the dishes. And I'll see you guys afterwards. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is, excuse me, I'm drinking a Coke. I don't need to drink Coke, but I want Coke. So let's see what I've done. I just finished cleaning my bathroom. The dishes are done. I cleaned the microwave. I took the recycling out. Cleaned my room. Vacuumed my room. So for all the cleaning that I'm going to do for right now, it probably just today, I'm done. So what I'm doing now is kind of organizing kind of organizing the month of March bill wise. So I haven't really started too much. The only thing I have is I have the water bill right here with me right now. So that is my first bill that I wrote right now. And then I'm going to go through and then I'll show you guys when I'm kind of caught up, when I have a little bit more in here. So, out here, y'all, what's going on?
I had everything on this menu.
No, I get the same thing every single time I come. Bacon and cheese.
Which one? Oh, burger.
Alright, so we're at Steak and Shake. I'm out with the fams. Waiting for some food. We're waiting for the waiter to come back with our drinks. And then I think we got what we're gonna eat. And I think I'm gonna get a milkshake, even though I told y'all that I was supposed to be, you know, losing weight. Fail. Okay, so as you can tell, I'm back home. I'm sitting in front of my favorite spot, in front of the heater. So I think I'm just gonna do this for the rest of the night, or at least a little while longer during the night. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna make sure I don't have to use the bathroom anymore today. But I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna kind of chill, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this video up. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. I just realized that I kind of have my hand over the microphone. But I gotta get myself together here. So y'all have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.